Stop. Don't skip this video. If someone asks you, "Why should we hire you?" and you don't know what to say, this video is for you.
If you feel nervous,
If your mind goes blank,
or you say something random,
then today you fix this. Welcome to Simple Spoken English.
where we don't teach difficult English,
We teach real English for real interviews. Okay, Jack, be honest. What do you feel when you hear this question?
honestly, pressure.
Why?
Because I feel like I have to impress them.
Exactly.
And then I start thinking too much.
And you get stuck.
Yes.
That's the mistake.
What mistake?
You are trying to impress instead of express. Today, we fix that. Simple 3-step formula. Step 1, your strength. Step 2, your attitude. Step 3, your value.
That sounds simple.
Because it is simple. Let's try. Why should we hire you?
I am a hard-working person. I am always ready to learn new things. I will give my best to this job and grow with the company.
Perfect beginner answer.
But it's so simple.
Simple is powerful. Let's break it. I am hardworking equals strength.
Okay.
I am ready to learn equals attitude.
Hmm.
I will give my best equals value.
Oh, now I understand.
Exactly. Let's improve it slightly. Why should we hire you?
I am a hard-working and responsible person. I am always ready to learn and improve myself. I believe I can contribute to the company and grow with the team.
That's strong,
Still simple.
but more confident.
Emma, what if I don't have experience?
Good question. Then focus on attitude.
Let me try. As a fresher, I may not have experience, but I am eager to learn and work hard. I am dedicated and I will give my full effort to improve and contribute.
Excellent.
That sounds honest.
Honesty builds trust.
Emma, I always feel I need big English.
No. Clear English is enough. Now let's add real pressure. You're in front of the interviewer.
Okay, nervous again.
They ask, "Why should we hire you?" I am a hard-working person. I am always willing to learn new things. I am dedicated to my work, and I will give my best to help the company grow. That's a strong answer. I didn't use difficult words. You didn't need them. Listen carefully. You don't need perfect English for interviews. You need clear thinking and simple speaking. In part 2, we go deeper. Advanced answers, common mistakes, and how to sound confident even if you're nervous. All right, Jack, now we go deeper.
Okay, I'm ready.
Now this is not practice anymore. Now this is a real interview feeling. You are sitting in front of the interviewer. Your hands are slightly shaking.
Yes.
Your heart is beating fast.
Very fast.
And suddenly they ask, "Why should we hire you?"
I am a hardworking person. I am always willing to learn new things. I take my responsibilities seriously, and I will give my best to contribute to the company.
Good.
But, Emma, I still feel nervous.
That's normal.
Even after practice?
Yes. Confidence is not the absence of fear.
Then what is it?
Speaking even when fear is there.
That line hit me.
Remember it in your interview. Now let's upgrade your answer slightly. We add one powerful thing.
What?
Specific value.
Let me try. I am a hardworking and responsible person. I am always ready to learn and improve myself. I can adapt quickly and I work well with others. I believe I can add value to your team and grow with the company.
That's strong.
It sounds more professional.
Because now you're showing value, not just saying words.
Emma, what if I get stuck in the middle?
Very important. Then don't panic.
But silence feels scary.
Short pause is okay.
Let me try with pause. I am a hard-working person. I am always willing to learn, and I will give my best.
Perfect. Pauses make you sound calm.
Emma, earlier I thought pauses mean weakness.
No, pauses mean control. Now let's talk about common mistakes.
Yes, this is important.
Mistake 1, speaking too much.
Yes, I try to say everything.
Don't. Keep it short and clear. Mistake 2, using big words you don't understand.
I do that a lot.
And then you get stuck.
Exactly.
Use words you are comfortable with. Mistake 3, sounding like a robot.
Memorized answers?
Yes, speak like a human.
Natural tone.
Exactly.
Emma, what if I have no experience at all?
Then this is your golden answer. Listen carefully. As a fresher, I may not have experience, but I am eager to learn and ready to work hard. I am dedicated and I will give my best to grow and contribute.
That's powerful.
Because it's honest.
And positive.
Exactly. Now let's create a high-pressure moment. The interviewer looks serious.
Okay.
They ask again in a strong voice, "Why should we hire you over others?"
I believe I am a hardworking and positive person. I am always ready to learn and improve. I take responsibility seriously, and I will give my best effort in every task. I am committed to growing with the company and contributing to the team.
That's confidence.
Even though I was nervous.
That's real confidence.
Emma, I just realized something.
What?
The answer is not about impressing them.
Yes,
It's about showing who I am.
exactly. Listen carefully. You don't win interviews with perfect English
You win with clear thinking.
and honest communication.
If you are watching this and you feel scared of interviews,
That's okay.
fear is normal.
But staying silent is not,
Speak,
even if it's simple,
even if it's slow.
even if it's not perfect. At Simple Spoken English, we don't teach difficult English.
We teach usable English.
English you can speak today,
In your interview,
in real life. So next time, when someone asks, "Why should we hire you?"
don't freeze.
don't overthink.
Just follow the formula.
Your strength,
Your attitude,
your value. Simple,
clear.
powerful. Practice this today.
Say it out loud
Again,
and again.
because your moment is coming.
And when it comes,
You will be ready.
we'll see you in the next video.
Until then,
Keep it simple.
keep speaking.
Keep it simple.
Keep speaking.